2 in person. I don't need to put the video on if I'm just going to record, right?
Right.
Okay, I'm just going to record it for our records.
Yeah.
Question out of session, please remain seated.
All right, this call number 2013-34531. The interest of Aaron Flores and Leonardo Sandoval. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Mi nombre es Yesenia Flores, soy la mamá de Aarón y Leonardo Sandoval.
My name is Yesenia Flores. I am the mother of Aaron and Leonardo.
All right, and sir, your name and your relationship to the children.
My name is Romulo Sandoval. I am the father of Aaron and Leonardo Sandoval.
And representing Mr. Sandoval,
Representando al señor Sandoval.
Robert Garcia.
Roberto García.
and representing the state.
Representando el estado.
Andrea Pereira.
Andrea Pereira.
We have an agreed order suspending commitments. Let's proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Sandoval was previously ordered to pay child support of $229 beginning July 1st of 2014 and medical in the amount of $100 beginning July 1st of 2019. The state is requesting a child support judgment in the amount of $324.70 as of yesterday, March 30th, 2022, which will be paid back in the lump sum of $300 on or before Sunday, April 3rd of 2022. And then the remaining will be paid at $10 per month beginning April 1st of 2022. The state is also requesting a medical support judgment in the amount of $201.70 as of March 30th of 2022, which will be paid back at a rate of $10 per month beginning April 1st of 2022. In regards to the contempt, Mr. Sandoval was previously held in contempt on July 17th of 2014. For 180 days and until $1,000 was paid. In that order, he was also placed on community supervision for 120 months. Then, per the order on September 30th of 2019,
y tocante la orden del 30 de septiembre de 2019,
that community supervision was revoked
esa sentencia fue revocada
and Mr. Sandoval was placed on a deferred commitment
y el señor Sandoval fue en una sentencia requerida
in order to appear on February 27th, 2020,
y fue ordenado presentarse a corte el 27 de febrero
and subsequently thereafter.
y de ahí en adelante.
In regards to that commitment,
Tocante a esa sentencia,
the state is requesting to resuspend his deferred commitment
y el Estado quiere suspender su sentencia
and place him back on community supervision,
y ponerlo para atrás en supervisión comunitaria,
unsupervised,
sin supervisión,
for the remaining 58 months
por el resto de 58 meses
from his prior probation order.
de su aprobación anterior.
That concludes the order, Your Honors.
Se concluye la orden, señoría.
May I call my first witness?
El primer testigo.
Yes, ma'am.
Sí, señora.
The state called Ms. Flores.
El Estado le habla a la señora Flores.
Ma'am, you heard me read the terms of this order into the record. Is that correct?
Señora, usted escuchó que yo leí el acuerdo al archivo, ¿correcto? Sí. Yes.
And you're in agreement to all of these terms?
¿Usted está de acuerdo a todos estos términos? Sí. Yes.
And you signed the last page of this order stating you are in agreement?
¿Usted firmó la última página de esta orden diciendo que usted está de acuerdo? Sí. Yes.
And you're asking the court to approve it, correct?
¿Y usted está pidiendo a la corte que lo apruebe, correcto? Sí. Yes, correct.
I pass this witness.
Así testigo.
No questions.
No hay preguntas.
State calls Mr. Sandoval.
El Estado le habla al señor Sandoval.
Sir, you heard me read the terms of this order into the record. Is that correct?
Señor, usted escuchó que yo leí los términos de este orden del archivo, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
And you're in agreement to all of these terms?
¿Usted está de acuerdo a todos estos términos?
Sí.
Yes.
You signed the last page of this order stating you are in agreement?
¿Usted firmó la última página de esta orden diciendo que usted está de acuerdo?
Sí.
Yes.
And you're asking the court to approve it. Is that correct?
¿Usted está pidiendo a la corte que lo apruebe, correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
And you were currently represented by counsel today. Is that right?
Usted está representado con un abogado, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
And you've had the opportunity to go over this order with him as well, correct?
Y tuve la oportunidad de revisar esta orden con él, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
And we've agreed to resuspend your commitment because you have made strides in making your payments each month, correct?
Y estuvimos de acuerdo de volver a suspender su sentencia porque usted ha estado haciendo sus pagos y va a seguir pagando, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
And also a recent lump sum cleared out the majority of your arrears.
Y también una cantidad grande aclaró lo que debe, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
And if you pay the remaining arrears and have a zero balance,
Y si usted paga lo que está atrasado y mantiene un balance cero,
this probation will terminate. Do you understand that?
esta aprobación será terminada. ¿Usted entiende eso?
Sí.
Yes.
I pass this witness, Your
Pasa
Honor.
el testigo.
Couple of questions.
Solo unas varias preguntas.
Mr. Sandoval,
Señor Sandoval,
have you and I had the opportunity to go over?
¿usted y yo tuvimos la oportunidad de revisar esta orden?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand the terms?
¿Usted entiende los términos de este orden como yo se la expliqué?
Sí.
Yes.
So you understand that if you comply with the agreement reflected in this order, that you can live on the on probation.
¿Usted entiende que si cumple todos los términos de esta orden ya no estará en probación?
Sí.
Yes.
And that you will just continue on with your regular payments
Y solo continuará con sus pagos regulares.
that have been ordered.
Están ordenados.
Sí.
Yes.
That's it.
Paso el testigo.
Ma'am, do you have any questions for him?
Señora, ¿tiene preguntas para el señor? No.
Anything further?
Nothing further.
Nada más.
No further?
Nothing
Okay.
further.
Nada más, nada más.
All right, court will approve the agreement as submitted. Thank you very much.
Gracias.
Thank you.
You can start.
Gracias.
I noticed that that language doesn't have it terminates when he has paid off the reason to handwrite that in there.
It's called number 2013-54508. In the interest of Liliana Munguia. Raise your right hand. if you want to. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Oscar Munguia, I am a father.
And representative state,
Andrea Perard.
we have a motion for enforcement of child support and medical support. What are we doing today?
That's correct, Your Honor. Mr. Munguia previously failed to appear in court for his prior court date. A KPS was issued with a $1,900 cash bond. Mr. Munguia has walked in today on that KPS and has paid $950 as requested. Therefore, the state is recalling that KPS and requesting to reset the case for trial. But Mr. Munguia will need his rights regarding his enforcement.
Okay, Mr. Munguia, you understand the state has filed a motion for enforcement of child support and medical support against you?
Yes.
You understand that if I find that you have not paid your child support and medical support as ordered, that I could incarcerate you in the Harris County Jail for a period of time?
Yes.
You also understand that when we have your hearing, you don't have to say anything, you don't have to sign anything, you have a right to remain silent.
Yes.
Further understand that you have a right to hire your own attorney, or if you are indigent, the court can appoint one to represent you.
Yes.
Okay, how do you wish to move forward with this matter?
I'm going to hire my own attorney.
Reset date.
July 28th, Your Honor.
All right, so this matter is reset to July 28th, 2022. You're sworn to return on that day. If you do not appear, a warrant will issue for your arrest.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you appear without an attorney, you'll be representing yourself. Understood?
Yes.
All right, the case is recalled and ready to go.
Judge, that's a copy. You can sign it.
Oh, you need to sign this?
Yes, Judge, we'll e-file one for you to actually sign, but we, just in case he gets picked up for some reason. We wanted him to have something in this. Thank you, Judge.
Yes.
No, that's what we need to be.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see.